Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to explore one of the most important and stylish element of any home interior, the modern dining table design. The dining table is not just a piece of furniture, it is the heart of the dining room where family members gather, meals are shared, and memories are made. A well designed dining table can completely transform the look of your home, adding elegance, styles, and functionality. In this video, we will cover everything about modern dining table design from popular style and material to shapes, size, and trending concept. Whether you have a large dining hall or a compact space, you'll get plenty of inspiring ideas. Importance of dining table in modern home. In today's lifestyle, dining table are more than just a place to eat. They represent a social hub of the house. Families use them for meals, children for homework, and even adult as a temporary workspace. Because of this multi-purpose use, modern dining tables are designed not only to be stylish but also practical, durable, and adaptable. Popular style of modern dining table design. Minimalist dining table. Minimalism is trending everywhere, and dining tables are no exception. These designs focus on clean lines, natural tones, and simplicity. Usually crafted from wood or material, minimalist table fit well in small apartment and modern homes. They prefer culture-free interior. Glass top dining table. Glass top dining tables add a scene of luxury and openness to any dining room. They reflect light, making the space appear larger and brighter. Frames are often made of wood, stainless steel, or worth iron. A glass dining table is perfect for modern apartments that need a touch of elegance. Marble dining tables. Marble top tables are the symbols of spontaneous. They look premium and instantly elevate the aesthetic of the dining room. Paired with gold or back bias. Marble dining tables are ideal for luxury interior. They are also durable but require popular care. The modern dining table is not just furniture, it is a statement piece that brings people together. For minimalist wooden design to luxurious marble tops, from round cage tables to large extendable ones, there is a wide variety of options to suit every home and lifestyle. When choosing your dining table, remember to consider style, space, comfort, and durability. A well chosen table will not only enhance your dining room but also create a welcoming environment where you and your loved ones can share meals, conversation, and unforgettable moment. So, which dining table style did you like the most? Minimalist marble